guys, welcome to Plant Therapy. It's Friday afternoon and I just received this box I ordered from an Etsy seller that someone recommended to me online. Here's the name. Can you see that? Rare Herbs Garden, New Jersey. Okay. Etsy seller. Another plant tuber recommended this seller. We were talking about hoyas, and actually I went on looking for a particular hoya that was already sold out. But look at this, isn't that cute? Sent me this card with all the info in there. So thank you. Nice touch. And then inside there are some clips for a trellis and orchid clips, and then these little, I've seen people using these. This is so cool with your cuttings to get them to stay put as they're rooting. So okay, so I ordered two things. However, there's something extra here, and I'm going to show you the name. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Lori. I'm assuming it's a hoya, and this is a little gift. So excited. I was a little worried because the temperature dropped these last few days. And of course it was in transit, but it was in this nice insulated package. And look at this. Isn't this cute the way it's wrapped up? Reminds me of Heroes. Right? I like that touch. I'm afraid to look, but I'm going to look in a second. But let me see what this is. I have to look this one up. I'm not familiar with the name, but how sweet. I'm going to put the seller's name up and the contact and all that. All right, there's an easier way to do this. So exciting. But anyway, like I said, I was a little concerned because it was kind of cold, dropped below freezing. Oh, I'll be careful. Oh, how cute. Look at that. Hope you can see it. I don't want to tug too much. I'm afraid to take it out. It seems like it's damp still. Yeah, I think so. So that's cute. Thanks a lot. The person I was talking to online was Jack. So thank you, Jack. Appreciate that. That was very sweet of you. And let's see now. I don't know which one to open first. Let's do this one. I tell you, it's so nice when people take the time to package these things so well to protect them. I totally forgot about asking for a heat pack. It was an afterthought, and then it was too late. Oh, look at this. So here's the thing. The plant that I had picked had lost 2 leaves, so he contacted me right away and let me know, and gave me a choice between that original plant and this one. And oh my god, it's cuter than I expected. I have a regular Comengiana, Hoya Comengiana, and I wasn't even aware that they had a variegated one until I started browsing on this website. Oh, look how cute that is. Here she is. Do you see the variegation? It's an elbow, and it's already potted up in pond, and it looks just as good as it did in the picture. Really like this. Thank you so much. It's looking good, and I see some roots. So yeah, Comengiana elbow. And then there was another extra. You had to purchase something to be able to get this cutting, and I think it was in, let me say that right, endoensis, hoya, endoensis, and I've been eyeing this. I believe that's what it was. Not terrible, I can't remember for sure, but I think that's what it was. Let's see. This is a nice way to start your weekend. Plant mail. Okay. This feels like more of a plant than I expected. Okay, let's try and cut the tape. I'll speed this up, of course, for you guys to done. I love the little Halloween stickers. Very cute. Oh my. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's adorable. Oh, and it's much bigger than I expected. Wow, look at that. So pretty. Oh, these are some cute little leaves, aren't they pretty? That is beautiful. Thank you so much. That is so nice. So Rare Herb Gardens in New Jersey. Again, I'm going to put the name up on the screen. I am very happy with these cuttings. And here is the little extra. That was very sweet of you. Thank you so much. Beautiful. And I'm happy. My weekend's going to be perfect from here on in. Take care, guys. I hope to post that shopping video hopefully soon. I wanted it up by today, but I haven't edited yet. So thanks again to this wonderful little Etsy shop. Check them out, guys. All right. Have a great weekend. Bye.